If you're running out of storage or just want a clean reset of your Steam downloads without uninstalling the entire client, this quick guide is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm showing you a brand new, fast method to remove all Steam game files using nothing more than Windows File Explorer. No third-party tools, no complicated steps, just a simple trick every PC gamer should know. Let's jump right in. First, open up your File Explorer. Now head over to the drive where Steam is installed. For most people, this will be the C drive. Once you're inside, scroll down and open Program Files x86, then find and click on the Steam folder. Inside the Steam directory, look for a folder named config. This is where Steam stores a variety of local files, including download and installation data. Open that folder, and now you want to locate a subfolder with a name that may look different on different systems, but in most cases, it'll be something like sty. This folder is the key. It contains the cached download information for all your installed Steam games. To completely clear out the downloaded game files, simply open the STII folder, select everything inside it, and delete it. You can even press Shift plus Delete if you want to permanently remove the files without sending them to the recycle bin. Before you do this, make sure Steam is fully closed. If the Steam client is open, you might run into file lock errors. So double check that it's not running in the background. Now here's what you need to know. Deleting this folder only removes your local game files. It does not delete your Steam account, your library list, or any cloud save data. After this process, Steam will simply treat each game as if you've never downloaded it before. So if you try launching a game again, Steam will just re-download the necessary files. And that's it. A super fast, super easy way to wipe out Steam's local game files without messing with your account or reinstalling the whole app. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.